Hi and welcome to Gizmochina. I'm Kieran. Remember when Oneplus released the Oneplus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 Special Edition just before the Cyberpunk 2077 went on sale? That phone's outstanding depth of customization was a sight to behold. Today, after the release of Cyberpunk 2077, we got our hands on the Oneplus Watch Cyberpunk 2077 Edition. This time we won't discuss the specs, but we'll focus on the additional Cyberpunk 2077 elements customized for this special edition, and whether it's worth the extra $60 or the regular model. If you like this watch, now is your chance to get it for free. One lucky viewer will be selected to receive this cool Cyberpunk 2077 edition of the Oneplus Watch. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link below the video to join our giveaway. If you bought this watch from an official source, you will receive two boxes, one large and one small. Let's start by looking at the smaller box. This time around, unlike the Oneplus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 edition, the watch doesn't have a lot of customization elements included inside. There's no badge or map like the Oneplus 8T Custom Edition. The charging dock is just plain black and only the manual has the iconic Cyberpunk 2077 Mantis blades on it. But just when you think that the OnePlus didn't put any thought into customizing this watch, the big box comes into the picture, and that's the real highlight of the Oneplus Watch Cyberpunk Edition. Open the big box and the Johnny Silverhand mechanical hand appears before your eyes. Yes, this decorative piece is included with the watch, and it's not just for show either. It is a charging dock that can be fitted to the palm of the hand, so you can charge the watch by placing it on the hand. The cable of the charging dock is also designed to be hidden. Looks really cool, doesn't it? I do have one complaint though. The quality of the workmanship on this hand is rather average. It's still a bit rough when you take a closer look. Next, we take a look at the watch. The most obvious difference over the regular version of the Oneplus Watch is its strap. This Cyberpunk 2077 exclusive strap uses a classic yellow and black color scheme, with the Cyberpunk and Oneplus logos in glossy finish. The watch itself has a few customized elements, with the addition of 3 yellow decorative strips that can only be seen from the front and not from the side. The boot animation comprises lines of red scrolling codes, which is the same as the boot animation of the OnePlus 8T Cyberpunk 2077 edition. The Cyberpunk version of the Oneplus Watch has 5 exclusive dials: Loop, Latosolic Red, Widget, Yellowstone, and Dazzle Light. The charging animation is a yellow circle with a small cyan circle inside. The UI icons have also been repainted to make it more in line with the Cyberpunk 2077 style. The watch can play music independently, but the song that comes as default is not a Cyberpunk 2077 subscription song, which is a bit disappointing. The rest of the features and settings are just like a regular OnePlus watch. To be honest, the OnePlus Watch Cyberpunk 2077 edition is not as customized as the OnePlus 8T Special Edition, but it comes with a very cool charging dock accessory. I think this Johnny Silverhand mechanical hand is the heart of this product. It's a beautiful piece of art if you display it on a tabletop. Finally, I have to remind you that we are giving away the Cyberpunk 2077 edition of the Oneplus Watch to one of our lucky viewers. Click to subscribe to our channel and then click on the link below the video to enter this giveaway. If you are lucky, you could win this watch for free. So that's it for today. This is Kieran from Gizmochina, and we'll see you next time.